Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's video is about antonyms means mutazad alfaz.
A word or phrase that has the opposite meaning as another word or phrase एक लफ्ज़ या फिक्रा जिसके दूसरे लफ्ज़ या फिक्रे के मुतज़ाद मानी हो उन्हें हम मुतज़ाद अल्फाज कहते हैं. Some pairs of antonyms are given there. Please listen and remember.
Always, never, empty, full, loud, quiet, slow, fast, alive, dead, careful, careless, backward, forward, life, death. Arrival, departure, artificial, natural, behind, in front of, best, worst, beautiful, ugly, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp. Boring, exciting, hate, love, fat, slim, fear, courage, humid, dry, hungry, thirsty, host, guest, horizontal, vertical. Kind, cruel, include, exclude, same, different, vacant, occupied. Lie, truth, major, minor, panic, calm, temporary, permanent. Angel, devil, absence, presence, accept, refuse, adult, child. Rural, urban, powerful, weak, private, public, safe, dangerous.